No, babe, that's not how I taught you. Wait.
Okay, I must teach me how to dance.
That's why I'm here all alone. I told her baby cause I'm brown. She asked if I could take her home, take her home.
Hey, bro, what's up? How you doing, bro? Good.
How's everything?
Thank God. Everything is alright.
How is it?
Yeah.
Welcome.
Is it true that you are having a traditional wedding soon with Mary?
Yes, but where did you hear that? Because I haven't discussed it with anyone except Mary.
Bro, don't you know that the winds has ears? The rumor has spread all over the city, all over the
There's
town.
nothing I can do about that. But for now, let's talk about business.
Okay.
You understand?
I'm here because our goods has arrived.
The goods have arrived.
Yes.
That's great. I'm happy. Just wait for me. Give me 2 minutes. Let me arrange the cash for you
Okay.
so that you can go and get them.
Are you not going with me?
I have a meeting to attend around town. Understand?
Okay.
I'll get back to you soon.
Okay, get me the cash.
Let me get you the cash.
Fine. Good.
Everything is intact.
Okay.
So make sure there's no mess up.
No problem.
You know the deal, you know how we do it.
Yes.
So go there and get the shit.
Okay. I have to take my leave now.
No problem, we'll see you later.
One love.
Respect.
Take care, bro.
Big up.
Okay.
Come on. Babe, my phone is ringing. Hello? Yes. Yes, I'm on my way already. I'll be there in 5 minutes time. Tell her to wait for me, just keep her waiting, okay? I'm coming.
Hey,
Babe,
where are you going?
I need to go right now.
na-anwụ anwụrụ na-akasị gị ka alụ ya na-enwetakwu onwe ya na-akpọ energy
watakwa in this country onye anwụrụ watakwa in this nation onye anwụrụ I say watakwa in this country ayayo watakwa in this nation I'm not smoking a weed. Anytime I come in at the place, them happy.
Ole.
Now that bees in Koge last week. Okay, ago. Hey, my phone no get me now. I no get to do on the street. Hey, maybe the guy is a pioneer now. Because now that guy on a glamour wise, not the smart. And the man on Chadi Sancha. I'm just calling Colombia the Java. You know understand?
How much stuff? How much cook? $1 million. Now I make any time where would they blow me at the young game say for any base. But no yawa, I promise you this one no go fail. I go do a confirm test. You know how I roll now. I there with my guy. We go run the show. Which road now the person go take pass? Young give me. Now this road where they stay for this zanga. For this zanga where they stay, now the person go take pass. In fact, everything made easy.
I'm at the law. I can all look on the more than one bag.
What do you do with that lot? Okay. This is my property. Vagabond with you. Yes, man. What's your problem? I want to come back to myself. Don't fuck with me, I'll blow your fucking head, bro. Bro, this is my property. I can't give this property to you.
Wow, thank
Baby, I'm so glad you are mine now.
Well, you can say that again.
Thank God for a successful
Hello,
wedding.
baby. Baby, take a seat. I'm so tired.
Feel at home.
Yeah,
This
baby.
is my home.
Oh my God!
Your
What a
paradise.
beautiful home you have, sweetheart. Wow. I'm feeling it in my brain. Baby, come on, hold me. Hold me. Wow. Baby, let's go and take a fresh shower.
Hello, who's here?
Hey, who is there coming?
Mary, how you doing?
I'm fine. Oh, you're welcome.
Welcome. Is my brother around?
He just went out, not quite long.
Oh, what's around?
Yeah, please have your seats.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mary, quickly, there's something I want to tell you. Let me tell you a little about my brother. My brother is not good for you.
What are you talking about?
I said my brother is not good for you. There's a lot he is hiding from you.
My husband?
Yes, but I'm not at liberty to tell you those things.
What are the things? I want to know.
Please, don't tell him I said anything, no. I'm taking my leave. I'm going.
Oh, my baby, how you doing? What is it?
So you have the guts to cheat on me. You have been cheating on me. Today I will let you know the stuff I'm made of. You have been cheating on me in this house. You don't know who you got yourself involved. You have been cheating on me on this one. Hey, me. Hey.
Me cheating on you.
Many things you have been hiding from me.
What is all this?
Do you want to know?
Young man, can you leave me alone?
I'm not leaving you alone.
Can you leave me alone?
No.
Before I sound you.
Do what was?
What is wrong with you? Are you out of your senses? Let me give you a warning. I'm sounding it as a warning. Never you ask me anything in this house. Be silent, or you pack your things and leave this house. Don't you ever try it in your life?
Oh my God! I can't believe what is happening to me. I can't believe. I can't believe.
Hello? Kate, you mean you're pregnant for me? I'll meet you. Okay, I'll meet you soon. I'm coming to your house right away.
Bro, you look worried. What's the problem?
Kate says she's pregnant for me.
Pregnant? Good for you. You see, that's what you get for cheating. I warned you. Stop cheating. It doesn't pay. But you wouldn't listen.
Is that what you have to say?
Yes, I told you to change, but you wouldn't listen. That's what you get for cheating. I have to take my leave now. We will see later.
Let me go and see this girl. Let me go and see her.
I want you to get rid of that baby. You know? Because my wife is also pregnant for me.
No!
I'm not going to give you penny. And I'm going to deny you and that child.
So this is how you want to pay me back? After all I have done for you? Kevin, this is how you want to pay me back? Oh yeah, leave my house. Now leave my house. Kevin, leave my house.
You mean I should leave your
I
house?
said leave my house.
I said don't keep that child.
Kevin, leave my house.
Have a wife.
Is your wife better than me?
Calm down.
Is your wife better than me? Just take a good look at me. Me, Kate. Me, Kate.
Calm down.
Kevin, leave my house. I said leave my house. I will make sure I deal with you. I will make sure you pay what you did to me. Oh, now leave my house.
Wait,
I said leave my house. Kevin, leave my house. Leave my house.
This is not what I will actually do.
Leave my house. Leave my house. I will make sure I deal with this guy. I will make sure I will show him that my name is Kate. You will see the bad side of me. Kevin is trying me. Oh. Hey, Kevin is trying me. I will make sure I deal with him. I will make sure I deal with Kevin.
Eko, Orie, Nkwo, Afọ. Hey! Nkiri ka na-ekiri ododo na ozu. Ọkwa onye nwaziri ọkọ na-ere ọkwa mgbọrọgwụ na Jovia. Ana Manu. Hey! I'm on egedege. Ah! Ihe gedere anyị ifeọma. Ngwa n'enu ya. The gods are wise. Only a fool can climb a pepper tree. Ọkwanụ nkiri ka a na-ekiri ododo ejikwana ododo elu ozu ọkwenye nwa Chineke nke ọ na-ere ya akwa mgbọrọgwụ na ajọ ọfịa odike bụ odike iwe dike mmiri atụma nwa dike ọkwanụ nke isi mme ka m na-eme ajọ mmụọ na-ejere m ozi ya na mmụọ na-ejere ozi tekwa na odogbu nwoke nọ n'ọnụ.
I see someone coming. No one comes to my shrine without permission.
Come.
I can see, but I can't see clearly.
Come.
I can't see clearly.
Come.
Like a pastor. Sing me a song. Sing me more song.
No more goes I don't do. No man.
You be in bondage for yes. Hey! Akayamaka! Only Jesus can set you free. Have you been suffering for so years? Only Jesus can set you free. Have you been in bondage? Hey! Come to Jesus. It is the only way, the truth and the life. Hey! Nothing Jesus cannot do. I'll tell you. Akayamaka! But this is the true word of the Bible. But how long will I continue like this? Every street I went to, people will be dashing me 1 rubber of curry, giving me 2 rubber of salt, giving me pepper, Maggi. Is that how we continue on this ministry? In fact, I'm tired. Just look at what they gave me now. Rubber of curry, salt, Maggi. Look at my fellow friends. We attended the same Bible school college together. They are making monies. Building houses, building big church auditoriums. Look at me now. They have changed my name. They are now calling me Pastor Tachibobo just because I built my church building beside a mechanic workshop. I cannot continue like this. I cannot continue the ministry like this. In fact, I must do something. I must meet that man. That man will give me solution. That strong Babalawo man. There must be a solution there. I'm going. There must be a solution there. I'm going.
Stop there, young man. And throw away that evil book in your body. Throw it away. These are the gods who will be angry.
That closer.
You are welcome.
That closer.
You are welcome. Ejikwana ododo elu ozu.
Young man, what brought you here?
I have a problem about my church. I have a problem. I have a real problem. It is about my church. It is true that the Bible says that for the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffer violence, and it is so.
Stop. You don't say that here. This is a holy place. This is a sacred place.
I'm sorry, sir.
What actually brought you here?
Papa, please. I think it is time for me to take action over this unconfronted situation that is going on in my church. My church is not progressing. I'm shorting of members. 200 members. But Papa, please, I want you to make it 2,000 members. In fact, look at my fellow members. We attended the same Bible school college together. They are now in money, eating money, building big auditorium of churches. In fact, Papa, please, I want you to increase my members. Increase my members! I cannot continue like this. In fact, they are working at me.
My son, I want to assure you that there is no problem without a solution. You have come to the right place. Not everyone who chased the tiger caught the tiger, but you who caught the tiger actually chased the tiger. You're welcome.
Nana Manu.
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa, I know that you can do it. I've been hearing of you. I know that you can do it. Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa.
You have 200 members and you want 2,000 members. I can make it 50,000.
Baba, in fact, I want you to make me to taste like a sugar. Make me taste like a sugar so that people from different directions, from different parts of the country can come to me for solution. Baba, I know that you can do it. Please, help me, sir. Help me. Help me.
You are in the right place, like I told you before. There's no problem without a solution. I'm going to fortify you. I'm going to empower you. Whatever you say will come to pass. When people hear the sound of your voice, they will come to you. And whatever solution you are giving to a problem, so shall it be.
Thank you. Thank you, Baba.
You are welcome. On your knees.
No one's come here and go back with disappointment. I trust again and again.
My son, as you go back here, your problem shall not remain the same.
Yes, Baba.
The best way to eat an elephant that starts in your path is to cut it into pieces.
Yes, Baba. Yes, Baba.
Oh, come and go.
You need 2,000 members.
Yes, Baba.
By the end of this month, you will have 15.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
Go, your problems are solved.
Thank you, Baba.
Come back with a testimony.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. I'll do so. I'll do so. I'll do so. Thank you, Baba.
You are welcome, young girl. Pull off your shoe there. You're
welcome.
Hello. Asatachi Baba. You see they come this kind of place?
Sister Katie. Sister Katie. Water don't pass Gary. So see they come this kind of place.
See they come this
so
kind
now
of
this
place.
come now you tell they drink water.
Hey,
my
pastor.
sister. I can't check whether my trap don't catch big and tell you.
Me too. I can't check whether my foul let go.
Abeg, Baba, please, I should be leaving now. Abeg, please, before all network you carry my leash. Baba, please, I should be leaving now. Come, take this. Take it, Daddy. Take it, Daddy.
Come back with testimony.
Take it, Daddy.
Okay, now.
Please sit down.
Go see later.
My daughter, what brings you to my shrine?
Baba.
There are consequences to your actions.
Yes, a revenge.
My daughter, what do you want me to do for you?
I want him blind.
You want him blind?
Yes, Baba.
Consider it done. Kutu.
Yes, Baba. Baba.
My daughter, if you want him blind, take this. Eyes. If you want him dead, stab his heart.
Kevin, compensate my life. I want you to go blind.
Granny, young woman, go to the point and stab him. No one cries here. My hands are clean.
It is done, my daughter. It is done, my daughter. Go home, then come back with testimony.
Yes, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
Akamodo chao, akamodo chao. Nkonye metere ya buru, nkonye metere ya buru. Nkonye metere ya buru. Orugo no mume, orugo no mume, orugo no mume.
My eyes! I can't see! My eyes!
Honey, what's the problem?
My eyes!
What's the problem?
My vision! I can't see!
Are you serious?
Honey, I can't see!
Honey, look at me! You mean you can't see me?
Look at me!
Look at me! Open it! Oh my God! Sit down! Sit down, let me go to family doctor. Let me go, doctor.
I can't see!
Where's my phone?
Oh!
My husband is not okay. I don't know what is. Something is wrong with him.
I can't see!
Thank you, sir.
I can't see!
Mommy, you have to say that. You're not having issue.
Baby, I can't see!
Sit down. Let's wait for him.
My brother, I'm not fine at all.
Madam, take it easy, take it easy.
I'm not fine at all. I've lost my vision. I've lost my vision.
Take it easy,
My brother,
you'll be okay.
I've lost my vision. I can't see nothing. Nothing at all. Oh, and now I'm full. Ebugo mishi, my brother. My brother. Ebugo mishi.
Oh my God.
Madam, take it easy. God, there's nothing God cannot do. Take some years to heal. But there's nothing I can do. I have some other patients
like this now. You can't
to attend to. I have some other patients to attend to. Just pray. God will answer your prayer.
Ebugo mishi.
Pray, God will answer your prayer.
Ebugo mishi.
Doctor, please, oh my God. Oh, God, what am I going to do? Where will I go from here? Where will I go from here? Oh God, I can't leave my husband like this. Somebody should help me. You're not helping this issue. You're not helping it.
Please, call Junior for me. Call Junior. This situation is getting out of hand. Call Junior for me.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me call him. Hello? Hello? You have to come to the house, oh. You have to come. Oh, I don't know what your brother is turning into. Your brother have lost his sight. He can't see anything. Please, we have to come right now. Please. Okay, we are waiting. Thank you. Hey, he's on his way. You have to. You will use your hand to bust your eyeball. It's okay now. You're not helping the issue. I don't even know what you have done wrong now. She have told you to tell her the secret you are behind. You refuse. Now you have gone blind. I didn't know this one is one of your secrets that caused this problem for us now. Drop your hand in the ground.
Mommy, the door is open.
Wow.
Hello, Junior.
How you doing, baby?
I'm fine. And you? Wow, oh my God. Welcome. Hope everything is okay.
Yes, everything is alright, baby. Zero. Kids, my brother told me that you're pregnant. Is it true?
Well, of course, yes.
I see, Kate. I think the baby you are carrying, I think is mine. Because we had sex during that same period of time. I wanted to keep that child. I will take good care of you and the child. Yes, I will.
Are you serious?
I'm very, very serious. I have to take my leave now. I have to get to my brother's house, my sap. Okay? My brother. Kevin, are you okay?
I'm not okay at all.
My husband is not okay.
Jesus Christ.
Na ebugomishi. Ebugomishi. One nigga ebugomishi.
Oh, God.
I cannot say nothing. Oh, Junior, I'm glad you're here. I know you're going to take full charge of our business. Oh.
Okay. Since you are here, let me quickly get something downstairs.
Okay, go.
Honey, I'm coming.
Go, I'm here. So sorry. So sorry.
Now, wow. But Kevin, you brought all this destruction to yourself because of how you treated Kate and Mary.
Oh. It's only God that knows what happens to my eyes.
So sorry, okay? So sorry, brother. This way. The Lord is your strength, okay? So sorry. So sorry, okay?
Junior, please wait and help me rearrange things in the house. Please, don't go. You leave very early in the morning.
Okay, brother.
You do that very early in the morning.
I wanted to leave, but I think it's already late. I don't think I can take my leave. Until tomorrow, I go to work from here. Okay. Let me help you to bed, as it's late already, okay? Let me help you to bed.
Please.
Be careful.
Please help me. Be careful.
Sorry. Mary.
Yes, what is it?
You are so beautiful, so sexy. Please come over. Come, let me show you something. Come.
What is it that you want to show me?
Oh, let me show you something.
Whatever you want to show me from there. I'm listening to you. You don't come off my body. What's wrong with you?
It's not just
Calm down. Baby, there's something I want to tell you. Baby, you know, because of the stress and all of what have happened to her recently, I think I've lost the baby. I have a miscarriage last night.
What have I done wrong to receive all this punishment?
Oh,
What have I done wrong? Oh my God. Chineke. Could you tell me any good?
We are sorry. Nothing we are sin against you, Lord. Oh, Jesus. Every forces of darkness that is fighting against my marital settlement, that is fighting against my home, but I come against them and render them useless in the name of Jesus. Against my husband, fighting against his sight and vision, I come against them and hold them in bondage in the name of Jesus. I destroy their forces, I render them vile and useless in the name of Jesus. I release you free from every captivity of darkness. Keep this planet. In the name of Jesus, I ban every spirit of frustration and backwardness. In the name of Jesus, I ban every spirit of stagnation.
Amen.
Forces of darkness everywhere.
Amen.
Where this arrow is coming from. Father, in the name of Jesus, we say that the name of Jesus.
Amen.
The Bible says, "He that the Son of Man has set free is free indeed." You are free in the name of Jesus. You are free in the name of Jesus. But the power of the Holy Ghost receive your sight. In Jesus' mighty name. Father, we thank you for answers to our prayer. Lord, we give you the glory. Lord, we give you the praise. You are God from beginning to the end. You always hear us when we answer. The Bible says anything too hard for you, you cannot do. Father, we have come before you because my husband have received his sight in the name of Jesus. We thank you for the victory ahead of us. We thank you for the testimony. We thank you for the restoration of our home and financial breakthrough. Father, we give you the glory. We give you the praise. In Jesus' mighty name we have prayed.
Amen.
Jesus. In Jesus' mighty name we have prayed.
Amen. Baby.
Yes, what is it?
I can see.
Are you serious?
I can see.
You can see me right now.
Baby, I can see. I can see. No is here. Hey! Oh my God!
How dare you open my door? How dare you come into my house without calling me? I don't have any business with you. Kevin, it is over between me and you. How dare you? How can you come?
As I reverse all the costs against me, in the mighty name of Jesus, against you people.
Kevin, it is over between me and you.
This is
I have nothing. Kevin, it is over between me. I can see. Oh my God. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Oh my God, my eye. Oh. Hey. Oh my God. I'm not seeing anything. Oh. Hey. Hey. Kevin, somebody help me. Oh. Somebody help. Somebody help. Somebody help. Hey. My eye. My eye. Oh. Pepe. Oh. My eye. Oh.
Remember, there are consequences to your actions.
Yes.